Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a good day. In this video, I will show you how to design a beautiful hero section in Odoo website builder. So without further delay, let's get started. The first thing we will do is add a base design for our hero section. So right here we have the intro sections. Let's add a minimal section right here, and let's also remove the background, the shape. Let's decrease the padding like this. When you design the hero section, the first thing you need to make sure of is that this is the first section people will see when they visit your website. So you have to make sure that you build the trust and add all the important elements like the links to your shop page, product page, service pages, forms, and so on. Ask yourself what kind of elements would you like when you visit your website and design the section accordingly. For example, right here we have the main heading of the page. I want something that builds the trust. This is a demo website for web developers. So let's write something that builds the trust for the website visitors. For example, this one right here, hire award-winning web developers. The word award-winning here builds the trust and lets people know that they are interacting with the experts of web developers. So this type of heading will build the trust for the people. Let's add a subheading now. So let's go here and add a text like this. Now write a subheading. So make sure that you research and come up with different ideas and decide the headings that actually builds the trust for the people. Next up, let's add something like rating. And let's design it. For example, you can add the ratings for Trustpilot, which will again build the trust and show the authenticity of your service, of your product, and many more things. One of the best ways to get the ideas is to go to websites like ThemeForest and look for the website template that matches your brand, your types, and see for yourself what kind of designs they use. All right, so this is another element that brings the trust to your website. Let's also add a divider to separate them and make the design more consistent. Increase the width a bit, and let's also add a color. You can also change the type of line like this, but I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Let's set the width to 75% and alignment to left side. Okay, so this is much better. Next up, let's add some buttons for our main pages. So first off, let's add a primary button like this, and let's call it all services. Set the size to medium, that's fine. The layout will be default as well. You can check the preview of the buttons like this. For this one, I'm going to set it to default. And if you want to open the link in new window, you can turn this on. Otherwise, turn this off like this. So click on apply, and now we have a button. Let's also add another button here, the secondary button. And now we want to build some more trust. People will not just come to our website and just blindly book our services. We have to first show them our projects, our expertise, our websites. So let's add a link to our portfolio. We have to show them what type of work we do, build the trust, and then only they will book our services. Let's use the outline for this one, and let's open it in a new tab. All right, once you have done this, click on apply, and this is the portfolio of our website. You can add more elements, more text, like you can enhance this text here, add more content like a paragraph. That's also good. Now, in the left side, we want to add something else well. Once you have showed the people your portfolio and you have built the trust, now you are ready to, get the service, get the lead. So to make sure, let's first add a column like this. Remove everything here and add a custom form to collect the leads or give the quotes. So go to the blocks here, and right here we have the form. Add it like this. Okay, now we have to design the form here, make it look decent. So go here and select the fields. First off, let's set the text fields on top. I'm not going to build the complete form here. I just want to show you how to use the columns right here. Okay, so now you can easily give the cures. But this is very important. You have to first make sure that you build the trust for the people, like this heading here, where you have used the award winning. Then you have encouraged people and given them, an idea of what you can do on your website. Then you have showed the ratings of your business, like people actually trust your business. You can also add a link to this text, of your Trustpilot profile. Add the link using the text element here. Then you have showed them the option to, browse through all your services. And finally, you have also showed them the portfolio. So this will make sure that you can show them what kind of work you do. You can show all your projects, your impressive work. And finally, you can accept the quotes using this form. So let's look at the preview of this section real quick, how it looks on a live website. Okay, so this is the hero section of your website. You have showed them everything here. I think this is a bit big, so let's resize it. Okay, so this looks good now. So this is the minimal design of the hero section. In the next video, I will show you how to design more complex, more design oriented hero section in the Odoo website builder. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.